In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview for the recruitment drive by CDAC. The advertisement number is COP GR A02 2025. CDAC, which is the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, is inviting applications to fill various group or scientific and technical posts on a deputation basis. The deputation is initially for a period of 3 years, and it can be extended for another 2 years at the discretion of CDAC. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies available. CDAC has announced a total of 63 vacancies. These are distributed across 3 designations: 47 posts for Scientist D, 11 posts for Scientist A, and 5 posts for Scientist F. The vacancies are spread across multiple locations and specialized domains within CDAC centers. In this slide number 3, we will cover the application fee details. A non-refundable application fee of 1000 rupees is applicable, and this must be paid through online mode using debit or credit cards or internet banking. However, candidates who belong to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, or persons with disabilities categories, along with all female applicants, are exempted from paying this fee. In this slide number 4, we will look at the important dates related to this recruitment process. The online application process begins on the 24th of May 2025. The last date to submit the application online is the 23rd of June 2025 by 6 p.m. Candidates must also ensure that the printed copy of the online application, duly forwarded by their parent department, reaches CDAC by the 30th of June 2025. The eligibility conditions for age, qualifications, and experience will be calculated as on the closing date of online applications, which is the 23rd of June. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limit criteria for the applicants. As per the notification, the maximum age allowed for appointment on deputation shall not exceed 56 years. This age limit is to be adhered to strictly and will be calculated as on the last date for submission of the application, which is the 23rd of June 2025. In this slide number 6, we will discuss the required educational qualifications. Candidates applying for these posts must possess one of the following: a first-class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or a master of computer applications, a postgraduate degree in engineering or technology in a relevant discipline, a first-class postgraduate degree in a relevant discipline, or a doctorate, that is, a PhD in a relevant field. These qualifications must be from recognized institutions and in accordance with the eligibility norms. In this slide number 7, we will talk about the professional experience required for different positions. The experience criteria vary depending on the qualification and the level of the post. For Scientist D, candidates with a bachelor's degree must have at least 7 years of relevant experience, while those with a PhD need only 4 years. For Scientist A, the experience ranges from 8 to 11 years. For Scientist F, candidates must have a minimum of 13 to 16 years of experience. The final consideration of eligibility and experience lies with CDAC based on the candidate's submitted documents and domain relevance.